The GCF, which stands for G, the greatest, C, common, F, factor. So we just discussed factors and finding factors. So for 24 and I'm going to find the factors, and I look for which is the biggest common factor. So for 24 and 18, the biggest common factor, let's see, we've got 6's. There's some other common factors, like 1, that's a common factor, but there's a bigger one. The GCF is for the greatest common factor, so 6, that's the greatest common factor. So the GCF for 24 and 18 is 6. That's one way to find them. List all of the factors and then find the biggest one that's a common factor. That's the GCF. Here I have 24 and 64, so listing all of those, that's going to get kind of long and tedious. So another method is first, there's 3 steps. First, find the prime factorization. Second, move all of the factors into a double bubble map. And then third, all of the common factors in the middle, we multiply them. So first I'm going to do the prime factorization. So the prime factorization is done. Next I need to move them into double bubble map. First I need to look for any common factors, such as 2 and 2. That's common, they both have a 2. And I'm going to write it one time in the middle. So this 2 right here represents both of these 2. Next I'm going to look for more common factors. And let's see, I've got a 2 and a 2 again. Again, I write it one time, and here is another 2 and a 2, so I'll put that here. And then all these numbers that are left, the 3, that goes, there isn't a 3 over here on the 64, so it goes just with the 24, so I put it here. And then on this side I have a 2, a 2, and a 2, and I'm going to put it with the 64. I need to write 3 of those, so 2, 2, 2. So I'm done moving them into the double bubble map, and third I need to take all of the common factors and multiply them. So I take these numbers and multiply. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, and that's my answer.